Selling like hotcakes. Understanding popular English idioms. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that's widely used in the English language. Selling like hotcakes. This idiom is packed with flavor and history, and by the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in your everyday conversations. So, let's get started and explore this delicious expression together. The phrase, selling like hotcakes, refers to something being sold quickly and in large quantities, almost as soon as it is made available for sale. It's often used to describe products, services, or anything in high demand that people are eager to purchase. The idiom suggests a level of popularity and desirability that makes the items fly off the shelves. The origin of selling like hotcakes dates back to the 19th century in the United States. Hotcakes, which are also known as pancakes, were a popular item at fairs, festivals, and church events. They were made fresh and sold quickly to hungry attendees, often selling out fast due to their popularity. This phenomenon led to the birth of the phrase, capturing the idea of something being so desirable that it sells out the moment it's available. Using selling like hotcakes in a sentence is quite straightforward. It's best suited for informal contexts and can add a touch of whimsy or emphasis to your conversation. Here are a few examples. The new smartphone model is selling like hotcakes. It's almost impossible to find one in stores now. As soon as the concert tickets were released, they started selling like hotcakes. Her latest book must be really good. It's been selling like hotcakes since the day it was launched. Remember, the phrase is versatile and can be used in various scenarios where something is selling well or is extremely popular. And there you have it, the scoop on what it means to be selling like hotcakes. This idiom is a fun and vivid way to describe anything that's in high demand, flying off the shelves due to its popularity. We hope you enjoyed learning about this expression and feel confident using it in your conversations. Don't forget to practice, and soon, you'll be using idioms like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.